Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD, and yes, Microsoft had their Windows 10 event and so many things that they announced. It's just crazy. So I got my notepad right here with all my notes, so let's get started. Basically, Microsoft was thanking all the insiders with all the feedback that they provided. They're basically customizing Windows 10 for you, for us, the customer. The more that we provide feedback to them, the better that they're able to customize and create a final Windows 10 version that everyone will enjoy and like to use. Now, one of the things that I noticed is that a new taskbar design, bluer, sharper, clearer, it's real nice. The animation has improved within the start screen, which is awesome. You're able to go full screen now with the start screen. You're able to also resize the start screen to like a Windows 7 mode. I can't wait to get my build copy so I can test that stuff out and show you guys how that stuff looks. The Action Center has been updated to have quick access to turn off your Bluetooth as well as wireless, get into certain settings that you normally would go to. Everything could be, actually everything's in the Action Center, which is pretty cool. Another thing, that apps can be added to the Notification Center now. Basically, the Action Center is your Notification Center now. So Notification Center and the Action Center are now combined to one. The control panel and your PC settings. Back then on Windows 8.1, it looks like those were two separate sections that you had to go to. Now they migrated those two things together, so in one central location you could find every tool and feature within the control panel as well as the PC settings into one centralized location, which is also pretty cool. Cortana learns from you and makes it even smarter the more that you kind of interact with her. The more that you interact, the more information that you provide her, like your contacts, the things that you do online. It's basically learning every time you surf online, do certain things. It gets to know you even more. One of the things about Cortana that when you do like certain queries, it actually allows itself to search your local hard drive as well as your OneDrive to pick certain queries that you do, like open up a Word document. It actually goes into your Word, your OneDrive as well as your hard drive, and also picks that stuff up for you. Cortana is a new search bar which is pretty huge in the taskbar. It looks kind of ugly for me. I'm hoping you're able to resize it and maybe change the design of it. But again, Cortana allows you to open up software. If it's not located within your hard drive, it will actually go and locate it somewhere else for you to download, especially in the Windows Store. One of the cool things that they kind of showed everyone on demo was that Cortana can be used to dictate an email and send to anyone within your contacts, which is pretty awesome. No less typing. You could just basically say, hey Cortana, I want to send an email to X, Y, and Z. And what's the subject, what's the message, and it sends it right away, which that's pretty cool. The Action Center, which is now the Notification Center, is now synced to the PC and your mobile devices, so you don't have to miss any more Notification Centers. So if you miss something on your PC side, your mobile device is going to get the notification. It's vice versa. So if you miss something on the mobile side and you're in the PC, you're going to get it there. One thing about the Windows 10 mobile, you're able to reply on notifications like an inline. I kind of seen this more on the Apple devices. When you get a notification stating that X, Y, and Z has sent you a text, you're able to click on it and reply on the spot rather than opening up the app and then typing. So that's a cool thing, cool feature. Another thing with the Windows 10 mobile, the keyboard is now able to float around the UI, so you're able to place it anywhere around the interface. Office will be included within Windows Phone and tablets. Within the Office suite, it looks like familiar Office ribbon was added, which allows you to give you familiar formatting commands that you normally seen on Office 2013, which makes it a little better and easy to manipulate and edit documents on the fly. PowerPoint looks way smaller and compact. It allows you to do things right away. You're able to project presentations using your Windows Phone, which they demo that on the on the live stream, which is pretty awesome. You don't need a full-size tablet or a laptop to project a presentation to your clients. Microsoft built the full Word engine within their Outlook app. They're calling the Outlook app the Universal Outlook. So Outlook has been reinvented again, and when you're typing a new message within Outlook, it has like a feel of Word. You're able to do all the formatting, the clear formatting and everything within Outlook. The photo app was also reinvented as well within the Windows Phone as well as the Windows Desktop. It gives you a more simple UI, making the software do the job for you by enhancing the photos automatically and keeping everything organized by also creating albums for you on the fly. It also removes duplicates, burst photos, and clutter from your sync devices, which is pretty cool. Also, they kind of demoed the new IE, which is Project Spartan, and with the new IE, with the new Internet Explorer, it has like a note-taking mode, which allows you to draw over web pages, comment, and share your notes on the web with no problem. It isn't exclusive, meaning that you don't need to have a touchpad or a pen to actually make modifications on the web page, which is a plus. You're able to click anywhere on the page to comment and type within the dialog box to make a comment. And you're also able to share with ease with the option to share with popular social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so that's cool. Cortana will be built into the browser. So the more that Cortana knows about you, the more that it will help you out during your surfing experience. Now, they kind of said that new Internet Explorer Project Spartan is going to be released for the Insider program between 3 to 4 months, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. And one last thing that kind of blew my mind was Microsoft has released a HoloLens for holographic computing. What? This is awesome. It allows to process info and data from the sensors embedded within the headset. It doesn't require any wires, no phone, no connection from the PC. So you're able to project something in front of you, touch it. It's like crazy. Now, it has a special program called the Holo Studio, which is a new way to work with 3D content, which allows you to manipulate things, create things, and you're able to shoot that 3D content to a 3D printer and just have your 3D model right there in the fly. So that's pretty awesome. So a lot of new things have come out with Windows 10 as well as Windows 10 Mobile. I want to know what you guys think about the new operating system. I can't wait when I get my copy, and once I get my copy, I'm going to start playing around with that stuff and shoot out as much video content for you guys. Leave your comments right below if any questions. Again, leave it right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button because it does support the video as well as this guy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.